In this video, I've come to the beach in the early morning at sunrise for an early morning skimboarding session. It's a lot of fun. I'm just a beginner. I've been skimboarding for about a year, and I really took a break in the winter and spring. But as a beginner, I'm still trying to practice the one step. The one step's where I run towards a wave, I try to drop the skimboard as flat as possible, I take one step with my left, and then put my right foot on the back of the skimboard and then my left on the front of the skimboard. Sometimes my timing is off, so you'll see in this footage that sometimes I take 2 or 3 steps before I mount the skimboard, but hopefully with practice I'll get better and smoother. I start out slow in the early part of the session, and then I try to increase the speed as I warm up and get used to the timing a bit more. And I'm trying to adjust my timing so I can hit some of the waves and let the skimboard plane or float over the water. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to turn left and right, which is awesome. Before I could only go straight when I started skimboarding, but now I'm starting to feel the edges and turn right and left, 45 degrees sometimes, maybe even 90 degrees sometimes. But I haven't been able to do a wraparound where I do 180 degrees. I'm also trying to vary the timing on when I start to run towards a wave. I'm trying to watch these unbroken waves come in, and they're breaking close to shore, but I'm not good enough yet to hit the skimboard with enough speed to catch the wave while it's unbroken. But one thing that I've been trying to do is to try to take off earlier than I think, because as a beginner, I'm watching these waves break, and if I wait too long, they've already broken. So when I hit the skimboard on the wave, there's not much wave to hit at that point in time. So yeah, I'm trying to just experiment with my timing. This session's great. I think it shows that skimboarding is really a great exercise. I'm running around a lot, and I'm actually, balancing on the skimboard a lot too, which is awesome. It's September 2021 right now, so it's the start of fall, and that's why I have my wetsuit on, just trying to stay warm. And I think skimboarding is a great complement for what I've been doing lately, which is trying to learn how to surf. Because just like surfing, you're riding the skimboard on water, trying to balance on it and trying to turn left and right. So, and then with skimboarding, you can even skimboard whether there are waves or not, even when it's flat. So it's a lot of fun. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other skimboarding and surfing videos on my YouTube channel. Check them out. Thanks. Oh, and if you've got any tips and you skimboard, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.